Alright everybody, this is Chuck from B4. We're going to be introducing our CoPilot version 4.0 here in this example. This is a recap of price action of the ES. This is recorded in post. Before we get into the features, let's go ahead and address this trade while it's playing out in front of us here. We are in 4 contracts. CoPilot has got us in automatically here in this trade. We have it set to aggressive and set to confirm trades only. That blue triangle you see there on your screen, that's the confirmed trade entry. We're going to go ahead and minimize the risk right there. Alright, that takes out our first target. We'll go ahead and guard behind that stacked imbalance right there. Have a nice momentum candle formed right there. You see that with the magenta. That gives us a lot of confidence in that move. That green dot right there is your order flow exhaustion signal. We're a little cautious here. We're going to go ahead and move that stop loss down just to maximize profit, just in case. Have a whale order came in there, and it took us out. We're at $1,070. Go ahead and draw up a zone there. We have a nice order flow exhaustion signal right there as it crosses our trend line and finds support at the bottom of our demand zone. There's a nice momentum candle. Guys, if you can, go ahead and hit that like button. Thank you for watching, and please watch to the end of the video as it helps our ratings. Thank you guys, we appreciate you. Nice wedge forming there with our auto trend lines. Things are setting up. We're arming CoPilot long. Got 2 nice momentum, 3 nice momentum. There we go. Really nice there. We'll pull that down. Guard right there behind our triple stack imbalances. Nice area, and it takes us out at $1,829. signifying that we have some bearish sentiment coming in. See if we can't get a nice flush here to match that beautiful bullish move. Let's see if some sellers come in here. Got our trend, auto trend detection in the background, picking up short. It's busted through there. Got some momentum to the downside. Let's see if we can push through here. We got it armed, ready to lock and loaded, ready to take us up. Alright, there we go. 4 contracts short. We'll just make some minor adjustments here. Alright, boom. There we are, $3,049, guys. Doesn't get much better than that. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed our video today. Please like and subscribe to be sure to see more content like this.